Today, as I make this video, it is June 3rd, and Save Club officially released its bad self right around June 1st, so about 3 days ago. And I joined about 35 to 36 days ago because there was a pre-launch phase where people can sample Save Club a little bit, fish around, go in the back office, see what deals were already in the back office, knowing that in the next month, 3 months, 6 months, and a year, there's going to be well over 1 million deals worldwide on just about everything you can imagine. I can't wait for gasoline. That's my wish list. I can't wait for that. But hotels, travel, food, gyms, flowers, just about every category you can imagine are in the back office. And I was lucky enough to go through the membership and save over $900 on tires, mattresses, some food items, car washes. And I still can't believe it. That is a lot of money. If I even saved $200 or $300, I'd freak out because a membership is only $20 minus 3 little pennies. So for 1997, what a hell of a deal. Okay. So I'm a big fan of Save Club, and I'm so glad that I was able to have that 30-day advantage over other people that might be looking into this situation called Save Club. Now, I joined as an affiliate because I want to earn money too. I want to save money, but I want to definitely make money so I can purchase things for a cheaper deal, especially when it comes to toys and trinkets that I can hang on walls. And I think you speak my lingo if you can look about 3 feet, 4 feet in back of this chair. So I just looked into the affiliate deal, and it was only $60. I didn't have to buy stuff and stock things in a like an MLM company where you got to buy a bunch of crap and you're not even allowed to sell it other than to your grandma and your friends, where you screw them over by selling shampoo for $90 when it's not even worth $3. This is not MLM. I want you to save money. And by doing so, I want to earn money at the same time. I love that. I've never even thought once in my almost 60-year-old life that I could save money and then make money with the same deal. Because I'm not selling something like a product. I guess, well, it could be a service to some degree, but what is the product? Well, it's digital. You just log into saveclub.com and you go to the My Deals tab and just search and search, put in your zip code and see if there's local deals. Obviously, if you're traveling somewhere, put in that zip code, see if you can fly and have hotels and restaurants, shoes, Walmart. You want to build a deck, Home Depot. You want a Whopper, Burger King's back there. Billion-dollar companies are already a part of Save Club. And what is cool is if you go to, for example, like Las Vegas and look at just the hotels, it'll show Priceline and Orbitz, which have like a 30-year head start on us. We're already beating their deals, and we're officially 3 days old. About 30 some odd days, including the pre-launch. So when I became an affiliate, I just hit the ground going, man, I'm going to do a little dance, make a little love, and get down tonight. I was breakdancing and doing some disco moves to ABBA. Because to save $900 frickin' dollars, wow, that's insane. I never thought I'd save more than $9. But now that I'm an affiliate, and over the last 30 days, I've made just simple videos like this, talking about the experience and inviting you to a link, I've been able to make about $1,000 per week, because my total is about 4,000 and some change over the last month. So I'm figuring, well, okay, 4,000 divided by 4 comes out to about $1,000. I think by next week, I'm going to average even a little more than that, which is awesome. I had no idea I'd be making $1,000 a week and saving $900 at the same time. And with my new funnel system, that's put almost $900 to $1,000 in my pocket as well. And that has nothing to do with Save Club. It's a funnel that puts a magnifying glass on Save Club and really lights it up. It explains it, I think, even better than the ways that I've been signing up almost 100 people over the last 30 days. So, man, I'm a big fan of this thing. I had no idea that I'd be this excited going into summer, because right now, what is it again? It's June 3rd. And it's hot, man. I'll tell you, it's about 90 degrees outside. I produce a lot of car shows, which I'm a big fan of. And I have a radio station about 20 feet over to the screen. I guess if you look at the left side of your screen, right outside the door. So I love radio, doing voiceover work. I enjoy car show production and some other things online. But I was not looking for another gig, something else to do, but I could not do Save Club. Because I think I tried. I think I got up the next day and said, oh, there's saving places out there, Orbitz, Priceline. In my age group in the 70s, there was a little book you'd buy for like $20 called Happenings Books. And there's coupons that you can probably print out. And I was not looking to belong to any club, maybe a country club, but sure in the hell not a savings club. But I'm so darn glad. I got to thank the guy that welcomed me into this deal, because I feel like I owe him a dinner, something pretty cool, to save $900, to make $4,000, and then with my new funnel system, which he is a part of, by the way, I've put another almost $1,000 in my pocket. Am I a fan of Save Club? You bet your sweet ass. Oh my God, I love it. So, you want to look into it? Let me just show you what I do. And if you want the funnel system, let me show you that too, because it's only $25. You should look into that. Now, officialsaveclub.com. Please just click that. Just click it. You're going to go to this page and watch this little YouTube video. This is our founder. He's going to talk to you for about 5-6 minutes. And if you like what you see, will you please just fill this section out below? Click that orange button. You're going to get a Save Club email. Open it up and join. Or if you want more information, that's okay. No rush, but guys, the sooner you sign up as an affiliate, your chance of having a better response, in my opinion, disclaimer with quotes here with my fingers, I think you're going to have a better experience catching that big fish. Because when you only have right now, there's only a few thousand affiliates in the whole world. And you know damn well that 9 out of 10 people, just because they pay the $60, that doesn't mean you're really an affiliate. You got to post every day. And give it some elbow, put some stank on that fastball. You got to post and go to social media and make it fun. All you're doing is uploading videos or pictures. Maybe if people contact you, don't be shy. Just say, hey, go to officialsaveclub.com. That's all I say. And with the funnel system, wow, it's a 20-minute video versus this one on the left of your screen. This one's about 6 minutes, and believe me, it is super awesome. But the funnel that I use too is really badass. And you should look into it. Just look into it. You do not have to do it, but if you have $25 or if you have joined Save Club already, try this funnel. It's like putting salt and pepper on something. It's like putting hot sauce on that taco, putting 5 cherries on top instead of 1 on that hot fudge sundae. Okay? I really like the funnel system. SaveClubFunnels.com. It's something that you can afford. This is what it looks like right here. Go ahead and see where my email is? Right there, put your email in and hit that yellow button. I want you to watch this video. It's 20 minutes. And it explains Save Club extremely well, where you do not have to. You don't have to. Let the video do everything. And if you haven't joined Save Club, hit that left button. You can see it's $60 to get an affiliate, get a badass website, $19.97 to be a member. Boom, $79.97. Guys, you're in business. And if you want the funnel, $25, just click it. It ain't going to break. Just click it, and it's going to go to another video. Just watch it. It's short. And then if you really want the funnel, go ahead and click here, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex. Now, you're going to set it up just by watching a little video by my friend Mike. It takes like 10 minutes. Basically, you're putting the Save Club affiliate link information into the funnel. So when people click it, it goes right to you for signups and money and pre-enrolls and all that. You're also going to be invited to our private invite-only team. We have 2 private-only Facebook group pages that are just Save Club. You're going to meet people worldwide. You're going to get extra training, extra video, tons of free video that you can use with Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, the little videos that most people do on TikTok, the reels and the shorts, where they're kind of like 15 to 30 seconds. I like long video like this, where I can chat on my webcam for you folks for about 10 minutes, which I'm at right now. I could talk for 2 hours about this. I'm a big fan of Save Club. To make an extra $5,000 the last 30 days is really awesome. And you should see what I've done with it. I'm kind of embarrassed, but I've tricked out. I bought some tires for for a Hummer and a truck, and I bought a roof rack for my Tahoe, and I did some other things that were kind of nice for myself. I bought me some shoes. I bought 3 swimming suits at Walmart because they're only $9. So I spent $27 on some badass little swim trunks. I'll give you a little fashion show for you guys, okay? But it's nice to make money. And I'm at the stage of my life where I like saving because, I'm almost 60 and I've owned some cool stuff and trucks and bikes and, maybe I'd like to buy a new tooth or maybe a new eyeball or something. But I'm at the point where I just enjoy saving money. And I mean, for real, not just saving money on buying stuff, but if I make an extra 3, 4, 5 grand just to put it in the bank, knowing that if I do need a molar or an eyeball or maybe glasses or I got to buy new underwear. I mean, I like to buy new underwear like every 30 years or so, if I still fit in them. I have to get the big boy ones. I remember when I had a 30 waist, 32, 34, 36. I don't know how big my waist is, but it's a hell of a lot bigger than it used to be. So I got to go buy those big little boxer shorts at Walmart. Oh man, and if I have an extra 5 grand, I can buy a lot of boxers at that old Walmart. And pick up maybe a Pop-Tart. Asking myself, why do I have to wear big boy underwear now? And it's probably because of the Pop-Tarts and other stuff. But you can see I have Metamucil cookies. See right there, right by my Gene Simmons cereal? See that little box there? That's Metamucil cookies. Those are expensive. They're like $1 for each little pack of 2 cookies. I eat those and I'll tell you what, bam, I sit down to go number 2. I'm there for like 5 seconds and I'm done, folks. Boy, those Metamucil cookies, and they're expensive. They're $10. They're $9.99 a box plus tax. That's about like $2.60. And I've got the money because of Save Club. I hope I can save money on Metamucil cookies and Hot Wheels and on Legos and on Pop-Tarts and on bananas and on, I like Cocoa Pebbles cereal, which is just god-awful. It's 100% sugar, but it's good for you if you eat it before 8 in the morning. Yeah, on the box it says if you eat Cocoa Pebbles 7 in the morning till 8 in the morning, that it's mostly protein. And all the sugar, it doesn't turn to sugar until 8:01. That's what I tell myself. As I probably have high blood pressure, diabetes, and everything else starting next week. But anyway, I'm a massive fan of Save Club. I think you're going to enjoy the savings just as a member. And if you're an affiliate, guys, we're only 3 days in. You're joining so darn early, and we're going to have 1 million people sign up over the next year. And we only have thousands right now. So your chance of success, in my opinion, are massive. Don't take too much longer. You can join in my group. If you do, thank you. If you join in some other group, that's awesome. But if you get stuck, please at least look at the funnel. Because the more members we have, the cheaper our deals are going to be. And I want to mop ass on Orbitz and Priceline and anyone else that even wants to compete with us. But we're a worldwide endeavor. And there's an affiliate section. That's unheard of. Normally you just save money and that's it. But for this company to give you cash back like you're an influencer, like a celebrity, an actor, Kim Kardashian and her ass, wouldn't that be nice to get a little something something? I don't mean from Kim or her ass. I just mean like get a lot of money so you can buy Hot Wheels. Yeah, come on. I'd rather have a Hot Wheel than Kim's left butt cheek. And I'm just speaking from the heart. So, okay, I'm out of here, guys. I'm going to show you both my links real quick. If you don't mind going to the Save Club funnels, I think you're going to like it. I think you're going to dig it. Okay? And if you want to look at the original funnel, well, I don't know if I'd call it a funnel, but I guess it's somewhat of a funnel. But if you go to Official Save Club, just see what you get when you pay for $60. It's awesome. Guys, I've almost signed up 100 people with Official Save Club. And boy, I'll tell you with the funnel, it's been mind-blowing because it's put almost another $1,000 in my pocket, and that's recurring. It only gets bigger next month and next month and next month, and it has nothing to do with Save Club. It's just the funnel before Save Club. But I hope you look into it. You don't have to. It's only $25 if you do. Okay? All right, guys, my 15 minutes of fame are up in about 10 seconds. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And Cory at CoryDraper.com is my email. Get a hold of me. If I can help you, I surely will. And you don't have to be in my group in order to use the funnel. That's for everybody. It's just $25, okay? All right, guys, take care. We'll see you next video. Peace and love. Bye.